Tom here. Man, I really don't get tired of that cold start ever. Man, I had a pretty nice weekend here, and if you haven't already checked out the video, I'll go ahead and post the link up above. Of course, it's on the channel. I got to go to 2 Cars and Coffee events, which I found to be pretty amazing. In fact, I'm wearing the Big Storm Brewery sunglasses that I got at the second event. Pretty amazing time. And of course, on Monday, I actually got to go once again to another car meet, another local one, and I snapped some pictures. So if you haven't seen those on Instagram link is down below. Also got to snap a little impromptu video clip, which I'll put on screen for you all. So that was pretty cool. And you see a McLaren just out and about in the wild. So that was pretty awesome. So check that out when you all get a chance on Instagram. Of course, however, it brings me to one of the topics I want to mention. I want to apologize for the video on Saturday. A lot of you mentioned how the video was real shaky. It didn't look like it had video stabilization on. While I checked over the settings, I in fact either managed to turn it off by mistake, or I probably never even had it on, since that camera is still fairly new. Of course, right now I'm actually on the tried and tested GoPro, which is amazing because I already know how to work it. It's a lot easier to work. I have in fact changed the settings now, so for future videos I make with that camera, hopefully the quality will be up there. But of course, for today I wanted to talk about, rather than the camera, I wanted to talk about something with YouTube, because obviously, as most people know, YouTube's notifications have been lacking lately. So of course I've been trying out something new, and that is, if you go on my channel, I have access to the community tab now, where if you go on there, I'm allowed to post like a picture or even a GIF, or sometimes even links to videos, which is pretty great, because with that it allows me to get sort of the word out before the video goes live. So if you haven't already, take a look at that. So let me know what you all think about the community tab. Do you all want to see more with that, and do you want to interact with that more? Because I really enjoy it. Gets the word out of the video before the video gets posted, which I like, because it gets an extra notification, gives everybody a chance to interact with the channel that little bit more. So let me know what you think about that. And once again, go on the profile, you got the home, videos, playlists, and it's one of the tabs up at the top. Should give out another notification, and it lets me even do a poll, actually. So I'm probably going to post something on there before this video even goes live. Which I really enjoyed that tab, so let me know what you think about the tab. And I promise I'm going to start improving camera technology too, because I mean, I've already improved the usage of the DSLR. I finally turned on the right settings. I need to go through once again and just start really improving all of them. Figure out what settings need to be fixed and how, just like I did kind of with the GoPro. But for now, I'm definitely going to be using the GoPro more for vlogs like this, something where I'm just standing around talking. I don't really need to get the DSLR out. But definitely let me know in the comment section below what you think about all of that. Which camera do you honestly like better? Because I'm also experimenting today. I've got the microphone that I normally use with my DSLR. I've got it now on the GoPro. Hopefully this will improve sound quality, because I know a lot of you complained in the past that the sound quality of the GoPro isn't as good, even with an external mic. So definitely let me know if you think the sound is any better. Alright, but also, if you like this video, go ahead and leave a thumbs up. If you are stopping in for the first time, go ahead and subscribe. We've got more car meets coming, more stuff with that. And if you haven't already, like I said, check me out on Instagram. Link is down below. We finally hit 200 followers on Instagram. So thank you all so much for that. Let's help that continue to grow. But anyway, take care. Have a good day.